How to clone your voice in HeyGen. If you want to clone your voice in HeyGen, on the HeyGen app on your mobile, you do not have a standalone voice cloning feature. But what you can do is you can create an avatar where you can have the avatar speak your voice, and during that process you will be able to clone your voice. So if you come to the app section from the bottom right, and at the top you can see the option called photo to video. You can turn any photo into an avatar video. So what you can do is you can simply select that, and over here you can see you can pick a photo of yourself and you can begin the avatar scripting, and you can type anything there, and you can go to advanced settings and you can choose to upload or clone your voice during this process as well. So when you go to prompt to video, also you can see this option called voice. When you tap on voice, you can do an auto voice selection or choose your voice that you have created, and you can go ahead and then clone your voice. So at the top you can see it says create new voice, so you can tap on that create new voice button and you can follow all of the prompts in order to clone your voice. This way you can clone your voice in HeyGen. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.